And here's your money back. Hello, how are you? Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Who's that sitting in my chair? I don't know. I thought he was a friend of yours. So you just let some random person come in my house? Hey, calm down. I thought you knew. Look, regardless, he got to get out my house. I mean, he seems nice. He said hello to me, so that was good. Excuse me, sir. Sir, you got to get out my house. Do you hear me? Hello? Thank you. Thank you.